it's Jen with Polk County Public Libraries, and this is our kids craft demo for this week. This is a take and make bag that you can pick up for free at Columbus or Saluda Library and make a grass seed head. I'm sure there's a better name for it, but that's what I call it. So there are 4 things in your take and make bag. There is a stocking. There is a little container of grass seed, bluegrass. There is a bag of soil, and there is a cup. All right, so what you're gonna do, oh, I need that cup too. Thank you, Miss Amelia. Now I see why. So you're gonna take your cup, and you're going to stretch your stocking over the cup. So some of the stockings you get just are already together. Some we had to tie together, so if you got one that is tied, make sure that tie is on the inside. If not, then he'll have a little tie on top of his head here. I can't hear you. Amelia wants to make a joke. She can just tell us.
Okay, I'll tell you. If you leave the tie on the outside, it's going to look like he has a little man bun.
Oh, okay. So if you want him to have a man bun, leave the tie on the outside. If not, put the tie on the inside. All right, so we're going to put the grass seeds in first once you have your stocking. And unfortunately, when I ordered this on Amazon, it gave us bluegrass seed. So as you can see, your head is going to have quite the unnatural hair color. But once we have all the grass growing, I don't think you'll be able to see the blue anymore. All right, so we're gonna fill it up with your grass seed. And then we're going to pack in the potting soil. So I think we measured out pretty well for your potting soil to make the right size. For this video, I'm just gonna put a little bit in there because I've already made a few. All right, so you want it to be about tennis ball size. So get all of your soil in there, and then you can tie a knot to close the end. And you don't want to cut off this part at the end, so that's gonna help soak up water. All right. Let's see, so when you're ready to grow your head, you can get a bowl of water, and this does help it grow. You're gonna dunk it in the water, and then you're gonna put it, that same cup that you used to stretch the stocking over, you're gonna fill it up maybe halfway with water, and you're gonna put your cup in dangly end first. Now as you can see, I didn't put enough soil in this one. And these ones I made before, this one stuck out of the cup a little bit. So make sure you really put all your soil in there, so you want it to sit right on top nicely like this one is doing. All right, so when you're finished, you're going to want to put it in a windowsill or somewhere with lots of sunlight. You want to check it every day to make sure that it's still moist. If it's not moist, you can dribble some water on it. And this says it takes about a week to sprout, but I made this less than a week ago. And I don't know if you can see, but I have some grass already sprouting on it. And a full head of hair, it might take about a month. And then in about 6 weeks, he starts to bald and not be pretty anymore. So in about a month, you should have a full head of hair. You can start experimenting with different hairstyles. You could give them a mohawk. All right, so there's some other things you can do also if you want to give them a nose. So you can say, see, I gave this one a nose. Let's see. You can just pinch some of the fabric, twist it around, and tie it with a rubber band, and that will give you a nose. You can use other things to decorate. If you have fabric scraps or permanent marker, you could draw on the cup. You could draw an outfit for your person. You could draw a nose, eyes, a mouth. Just make sure whatever you're using is waterproof. Because it won't stick very well. And I did put in the directions if you don't have waterproof glue or markers, to wait until it dries, but mine's still pretty moist, so I think waterproof would be best. You can also use googly eyes. So I'm gonna add some googly eyes to mine. And this isn't waterproof, but I'm using a lot of glue, so hopefully it'll stick. Yeah. All right, so I could add, if I had some felt or some fabric, I might cut out a mouth or a nose, so you can decorate it however you want. And once it starts growing, please send me photos of your grass seed heads. I think this is gonna be a really fun experiment. So I hope you guys have fun.